7-8, we dey move. Every step, my feet they touch the ground, I feel her. 730 kilometers. No be small thing, but we dey go from village to village, door to door. Waiting we carry a message.
Sanibonani Khaya, igama lami MK. Welcome to another episode. We are on Leadership Inside. Season 2, theme yethu it's accountability, and vandag ngiphethe iGrootman guy. He goes by the name of Okuhle. He's from here Thokoza. He's from here Thokoza. He's a football coach and also a player. Udlalile kwi ABC Mutsipe. He's back now. Ucoacha iSky City. Umnandi Grootman love.
Ngiyaphila kakhulu MK.
Yeah.
Ngibonga kakhulu kusiphi ithuba sokuthi sibe nawe namhlanje.
Yeah, ne.
Ngokwegama Okuhle Jiyane. Ngihlala khona la eThokoza.
Okay.
eThokoza Gardens 8780 Masilo Street. Ila ngitholakala khona kwamanje. Ngokwekhaya ngibuya eBergville. eBergville kwamayezweni laMangwane. Ila ngibuya khona.
Okay.
Yebo.
Yeah man. No, ndiyabulela mina finally I think from last year, since last year sithetha into yokubomela sihlangane.
Indoda iba busy.
Yeah.
Indoda iba busy.
But since ngikubhekelele from then, because after all year wathi kumele sihlangane, I started monitoring your progress yakho. Yabo. Even though ke sisathi ukuhlukana kancinci ku WhatsApp based on ukuba distant kwakho or whatever reasons ezikwenze uba ngaba mawushiya social media. I don't know, but we lost track. But I knew ukuba ngaba useKZN or useDurban. UseDurban or useKZN?
NgiseKZN Escort.
Escort, yeah.
Kune team abathi Young Elephant.
Sure.
Bedlala iABC Mutsipe ngale.
Okay.
Ilabe ngisazinze khona.
Okay. Siyeza la. But before that, let's actually go to a background yakho kahle kahle. iGrootman ngibani kahle kahle, especially disking.
Mfowami yabona indaba yebhola. Umlando yinde kakhulu.
Yeah.
So ikhela phezulu.
Okay.
Nje ngiyimi, I've started playing football. There was a team called iMighty Kellys. Ngisafika mina la ngibuye emakhaya. Because cabanga kwami ngafika lana ngizofunda ugrade 3 mengaphazama enqubela.
Yeah.
Ukufika kwami ngalezo nkathi then ngaloko ngiphusha esikolweni until ngizojoin i-team abathi Mighty Kellys ebeyicoachwa uSipho Vilakazi. Ila ngiqale khona i-career yami ye-football iqala khona. Mengikhuluma ngeMighty Kellys ngikhuluma ngeTimbey la Extension 2 ground before izochinja ibe yiThokoza Soccer Academy TSA.
Yeah.
Based on SM Duli Stadium. We playing i-league. Yabona mebekhuluma nge-Eden Park League. I-develop abantu abaningi. Remember Eden Park bekunabo under 11 and emaithina labe sadlala khona ndoda bekudlala ukudlala ka under 11 kune under 11 A B C. Yabo. Ila sikhulele khona i-league beyiphuphula ke la endaweni la eThokoza bekuyiyo le yase Eden Park.
Okay, beyiranwa yiP association.
Bekuyithoko bilokhu nje Eden Park Association.
Okay.
Abo Mr Steven mengikhumbula kahle wamadoda beyosasekhona.
Okay.
And checka ukuthi majority of teams bekuyithokoza basuke Sprite bajump Sprite bazodlala ngapha. So it was a competitive league. Beyi-league interesting. Ilabo Philip Dlondlo nababedlala khona. The light of Philip Dlondlo abo Foley. They played that league.
Okay. I want us to actually discuss ama-struggles okanye ama-challenges that ama-players okanye ama-coaches are facing in the industry, especially in today's life. I want us to discuss Leandole because you are both a player and you are a coach. so you understand both the practical and the theory side of football. Yabo. Yeah. So you're actually the right person or the right candidate for your topic le. I want us to actually reflect to moments aye a leader to i-decision oyithathayo where uvayo sekhe-10 bekusenzeka ntoni, who approached who, like what was happening during leya period leya
kuze
for
ngifike
you?
KZN.
Yeah, ukuze ufike kada.
Ya ibhola ngisasho futhi. MK. Remember ngithe kuwe ngihlala eBergville mengiqala ngizazisa.
Yeah.
Ngathi bengihlala eBergville. So what happened? I went for ama holidays December. Automatically noma ungayaphi December kunama tournament.
Sure.
And
Sure.
I've played one of the biggest tournament eBergville, off season tournament eyenzakala December njalo ngoDecember eFrance.
Okay.
That tournament ngiyidlalile. I've played the tournament, ngadlala enye tournament bese Winterthur khona lapha eBergville. Then I've played one beyenziwa eBethani. That's where ngihlangana nomunye wecoach, umunye coach weQom Gang. There was a team ehlala eScott abathi iQom Gang.
Okay.
Then he approached me. Said ndoda you're having a good left footer and then vocal in the field of play. Kune team kanje Young Elephant.
Okay.
Yidinga left back. I was playing as a left back. Then I went there. I trained with them, Young Elephant. Mengilong gym, we train, and then coach suddenly at ndoda go and get your clearance, everything, sick register. And then season is still long, can give us something. Then that's where ngisuka ekhaya ngilungisa indaba zami zama clearance. And then for my side indaba yami clearance ibelula kakhulu because ngilekelelo uSifiso Chonco.
Okay.
From kuThokoza LFA.
Yeah.
So azange ngibe nama procedure whereby kufanele ngirane kube nani for clearance. Then wangilungisa clearance, I went and played it. Then we were playing, then the team progression, but the sad part MK, team ngifika beyisemsileni.
Okay.
Their team was having quality players. Benama players quality, there's a competition, training yethu be right. Then coach beka right, coach was coaches indaba zakhe bekazazi kakhulu.
Okay.
And then bengakusithole futhi bathi hayi si unfit. We played. Yet kwesinye isikhathi ke ama results bengeke siwathole njalo.
Sure.
But we played even if bekunama ups and downs. Then that's where it's leaded me ukuthi ekhambeni kwesikhathi when we played we remember meso uchinja isigaba lento ifootball ine progression nabo Super League, LFA, Castle, I understand. Then meso ufika ko ABC Mtsipe, it's another level.
Sure.
Yabona kune growth as a player.
Okay.
So mufika lapha yana, if you sign the contract kunemali amele uyithole. Even if you cannot call it a salary as such because it's still in the ABC Mtsipe, but other teams get that money.
Okay.
So the only challenges esike savesana nayo ukuthi we stood around almost 3 months without getting paid. At some point kufanele uhlale eClubhouse. Fanele ugeze ndoda uthenga ama cosmetics. Wenze yonke lento leyo ube ne data ube nani. Yet mekuzophela 3 months ungaholi, it's something else. Something else, but it's football. Isibekezele kunjalo. At some point kunokuthi kuyiwe emagamini MK. Cabanga ke emagamini ekseni eClubhouse amadoda lele. Asho kahle uthi asilapho. Astrike ukuyodlala. Because remember, salary it's also motivating us to get better results. so bekuze kusuka ucoach la suka khona azosincenga emadoda asiyeni sodlalana lapho ke sekufanele ukuthi simcabangele because lo muntu naye akaholile
kanje ngani
njengathi
Yeah,
and lo muntu sisebenza naye ku grassroots silapha entsimini siyalima nalendoda so kufanele sicabangele ithi emadoda bengicela nenzele mina isithunzi sami as a coach cabanga ngizorolelwa ku ABC Mtsipe isithunzi sami as a coach can we go and honor kufanele amadoda ndoda asukumisa amasokisi ashone khona there's one of the game esasidlala home ini what this team is La Costa or what besi sidlala home eWembley sa ama players wonke ama player bewasemakubo and then they had to ukuthi bas pick up so honor leyo game and we manage even if we've played it draw but we manage in the skeleton squad and then izinto zenzeka ebholweni MK izinto zenzeka
sure
abaphathi be team can build a team they can destroy but the most important thing even nala egasi yenzeka imali is something else it can build it can also destroy a team yinto ema challenges esifacana nazo mesiloko siphuma remember se KZN se Northwest kupha ukho ekhaya kini baze ekhaya ukuthi uyophanda phela ibhola umsebenzi na bazi ukuthi uyosebenza
ku tough
kakhulu
ku tough you're now wearing ama tricks with the Sky City
the blue train
come on because we are speaking or talking of you being a player use KZN PGP sokayiye Jozi ndoda yabo take me through the process level ufika kanjani Jozi
into enzeka MK when ngibuya before I went to KZN remember ukuthi ngangenawe ithokoza Football Association LFA isenzisa ID license
sure
right and then we went through that process sayiqeda sathola certificate and then the reason why ngenze ID license the understanding of football if you understand the football and then I think ukuthi njengami ngumuntu okufanele I need to bring back to the community yaseThokoza because ngithi mengibheka I started coaching kubana lento yokucoacha in an early age ngisaseyintwana but yes ngithi ilokunjana MK talent alive umnikazi asaphila so this thing of coaching I can even do coaching kina 30 sengiretired
sure
I rather have that qualifications now and then ngibe nayo yonke into edingakalayo to be in a professional level as a coach then that's why I decided ukuthi no let me obtain that D license even before D license MK bese vele ngeyinkinga ku coaching sengiqeda abantu abaningi ama competition amaningi ngiwawina in an early stage ayikho into engayenzanga let me say ayikho into engayenzanga ku football because I also started in a commentary I also did a commentary by commentator abomhlekazi they know very well sike saba nabo enkundleni into Mgwena Sport and Development Foundation iqala yangiphi platform to see ukuthi I'm talented like yaqala ngokudlala le commentary ukuthi Dibza akuna commentate tournament engaka uthi ngibambe and then ngagcwalisa system seMtuli Stadium kunendoda abathu lihle egama yemabuya benayo coach but yona ihambe yathola isipani yayeka coach and then ucoacha lokhu mina ngakuncela ebeleni kaSiphovila kazi utso ngitheme ngiyeka ku TSA ezama player yazi siyachuma ama player kwaba ne team eyayicoacha uDena bathi All Nation there was a day uDena engekho ku session and then ngijimisa I was 15 that time ngijimise under 13 yakhe and then la wenzo wafika wathi endoda buye teamini nayi under 11 yakho awudile ngayo unayo le potential and then while you be playing go under 15 then that's where yonke lento iqalile. To get back kulombuzo ukuthi endoda bowule eKZN
ufike
wawufike kanjani manje sowuphaphama la. Remember nginentwana uSokhulu Uzondo edlala ku Sky City, so I usually medlala la season bengiya ngiyoyibukela and then I see ukuthi okay, Sky City it's one of an organized academy, istructure sikhona, yonke into ikhona, ba right, into abashoda ngestaff, nakuphi nase garage mosebenze egarage mengana istaff enough ukuthi sithele petrol kuzoba ne queue.
Yeah.
So bashoda ngestaff. That's why I approach coach Miriam Cheledi. Then no, I'm obtaining ukuthi ngilekelele next season ngoba isizini iseyiphakathi teamini.
Okay.
Wathi indoda ngabe usebenzile, we need coaches. Then ngathi we sizokhuluma ngaloko next season. Bengihamba ke ngiloko ngisupport intwana meyidlala ama home game ngizama ukuba khona. And then I was at KZN, mengibuye KZN savala ngale for December. Ngadlala i-tournament MK.
Yeah.
Ngathi mengidlala i-tournament ngabuya ngapha emakhaya eJozi. Ngathi mengibuye eJozi benza ama trials, and then I've attended there kuma trials, and then that's where I started to kusebenza ku Sky City. Then I've started there, we selected my players are right for ukuthi singacompete for iGDL. And then along the way benginentwana mina from KZN ngayithatha eBergville, yona lentwana uSokhulu. One of the top left footer, it's a midfielder, but currently is playing as a left back. Top class.
Yeah.
It's even got opportunity to represent isikolo ku provincial by Durban last year. By Durban, and then even now is even got a scholarship fanele Spain for probably 26 September. Mela Spain with one of the players abawa selected ku Sky City. Then you see the opportunity that the academy give to the kids. And then ucheledi Miriam upassionate lento ayenzayo uyayazi.
Yeah.
And futhi it's willing ukuthi asiphe opportunity ukuthi nathi to showcase our talent, because you can't just be a coach, you must also be talented. Kunzima ukuthi ucoach ungadlalanga, kunama scenario la dinga wena ukuthi kufanele wa demonstrate ngendlela efanele. Then we started there, we played and then ku Sky City we moved, sa select team yonke into yaba right. And then we had the contract in Sky City. Then daughter come and help us for EGDA. As our season started, we have already played 3 games.
Okay.
Then there's a progression. We won against NW. We won against Kagiso.
Okay.
And then we played the draw against Florida. This previous weekend as we are going.
Yeah.
We are attending a game TS Galaxy on Sunday.
Okay. Siyasondela kancane kuvutho ndaba ne. Let's reflect le kuyo le game le odlala idraw kuyo. What were your mistakes kada?
Ngingathini? Kwesinye isikhathi I so feel ukuthi we approach a game ngephilosophy esicabanga ukuthi club, right? Building up from the back into efana nalezo. And then remember MK Polweni, if you can't play from the back you won't score, because dinguthi is build up ukuze lama opponent azokwazi ukuspress. The more they obtain for pressing bavula ipace la kufanele siphase khona, ama passing lane ilaba vula khona ipace sokwazi ukupenetrate sithola amagoli. Guess what, we played according game plan, we managed to score in the first 2 minutes of a game. First 2 minutes of a game we score. Then keep on playing. Football is a room of mistake. We made a mistake, bas punish. A boxing corner kick, second ball, bas punish.
Yeah.
Then we came.
Do you recall ubangaba what happens during their mistake there?
Yes, I can recall.
Come on.
Eh,
Come on.
sino goalkeeper height wise asinayo inhlanhla especially kuma under 15 14 bo goalkeeper abane height. I'm still going to come there because ukuza la MK ngicabanga ukuthi kunabantu abaningi abalandela ipage lakho coach abobani.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
ukuza le it's also marketing.
Okay.
We are struggling MK. Si struggle ngama under 14
Okay, sure.
ane height. We struggling. We need under 14s abane height, especially central defense and sort of we really struggling under 14. So if there's any coach who's willing to help as soon as possible, we gonna appreciate much appreciate. Megane height under 14, nevertheless manje position because we convert. I never thought ukuthi I can play as a center back too, I can play as a left back.
Yeah.
So we convert. This is football.
Okay.
So recalling in that goal is consider ngale. Aerial ball, punch away, siyalichitha liwele kuma opponent. In terms of si press ukuze angakwazi ukutake a shot and nokubona iframe. We slow in terms of pressing. And then that's where bakwazi ukusipunish. But in terms of play, we dominated. I will give a credit to goalkeeper we Florida. We created 9 clear chances, but he denied. Khona likhiphe sengithi mina vele leli siyathola ngeke basathola.
Yeah.
Walichitha. So they have a good goalkeeper.
Okay.
Structures abo right. So we slowly, but it's still early. Ukuthi singathi we are that much struggling. Yes. We're going to get it right. The more we catch up in momentum, and then yonke into izoba right. Yonke into izoba right.
No. You know, it's really good to be able to reflect xa uyawafumana ama results mhlawumbe ngalendlela that you expected or you planned. Yabo kugrand ukureflect ukuthi okay, from this point up until this point izinto bezivaya grand, but they started to turn amasis guy because that's the only way you're going to be able to fix. I need nosobuye ejimini namajita. You'll now know ukuthi okay guys, thina slow when it comes to ukuthi siya attack and all of that. Can we try to improve momentum, and then if ever kuna ama tactics ke nama techniques ozoza nawo ejimini, you can then implement them for amajita ukuthi yabo. But yeah, that's really great, man. For some reason I expected ukuthi as a coach you going to give me the answer esondele kada ne Grootman la masingene kuvutho ndaba ubloma kayiye Thokoza, most of ubomi bakho or most of i-career yakho ye-football uyiphushe kayiye Thokoza. Kunama icons abhaya. When I say ama icons, I mean kunabantu who have made it into a professional level khona apha eThokoza kwi-football. Abanye basasekhona kayiye kasi, abanye i-life nemali bakhiphile kasi. But siyadropa as much as ama opportunities azwakele and are given to ama players and nakabo coaches as well. Mara siyadropa Grootman. I hope now uyayibona le nto le because I'm new to football and I made it my business because it is my business ngoku yabo. So that is why I'm saying ukuthi siyadropa. We are having I don't know really igama enzoyibiza. Should I say ama dropouts or way more than produce ama icons yabo. Khambani da like ama players ati motivate wa indoni etiskin or abo coach bati motivate wa indoni etiskin so that abantu ba end up sebe bangama football analyst or analyst bese blomele side. No one wants to take responsibility. Obviously that's gonna go to a direction esharp yabo. Kwenzeka ntoni ta?
No MK ngisingene kule vutho ndaba, you know, let me start as players because I think I once experienced such things. First of all, then players need to understand ukuthi whenever you go you won't get i-treatment oyithola usuke uyithola la usuka khona.
Okay.
Things are different,
Yeah.
and then you need to man up.
Let's take a short break. I mean, I wanna reset the camera.
No problem.
Okay, yeah. Welcome back, Bafethu. Yeah, you can continue on.
Yeah, as I was saying, MK, when we travel in football as a soccer player, mawusuka la uthi uye Botswana, uye eVenda, uyaphi, you must know ukuthi you're going to live in another world in terms of treatment. First, you need to adjust kwi-environment.
Sure.
Angeke ifane.
Okay.
Mele adjust kwi-environment, you need to adjust to people around you. Kwesinye isikhathi unokufika, remember we are competing as ama-players. Unokufika etimini, you playing as a left center back, kune-left center back vele okufanele ukuthi usukumise uyithathele ispan because uze emsebenzini.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
So kuma kunama criticisms ozowathola towards ama teammate or i-treatment engekho right ozowathola towards ama teammate. So into esishayayo kwesinye isikhathi ukubekezela, asikwazi ukubekezela. So iyenzeka lento ukuthi mesifika sifike ngale sihluleka ukuadapt nokubekezela.
Sure.
Yeah, but I so feel ukuthi bakhona man abantu abahungry but they don't get the opportunity etholwa yilabanye abafika le phambili bafike benzani bangakhona ukubekezela. Kumele wazi MK ukuthi mawusuka kini nebag ukuthi uyophanda ikusasa elingcono, uhlala wazi ukuthi kunegigaba negameko ozohlangabezana nazo ezizokwenza ukuthi mhlawumbe ufuna ukubuyela ekhaya emuva.
Yeah, ne.
Ezinye zezinto okumele ukwazi, mina ngikwazi ukubekezela kwezinye izimo ngoba ngisasemncane ngaphuma ezandleni zabazali. Ngidlala kuthi isikhathi esiningi ibesizwa ama-camp, mesiyodlala ukhempa nani.
Yeah.
You understand? So lonto kwangikhulisa ukuthi ngazi ukuthi if ufuna ukuproceed ube successful ngecareer yakho, you need to know how to live at your own, because mawusuka lana uhambe eBotswana you are on your own. Beside if uthola i-team right enama teammate right aziyo ukuthi nawe uzozamela ikusasa lengane zakho noma lomndeni wakho.
Okay.
So kwesinye isikhathi unokuhamba ufika uthola ama teammate atshela ukuthi uzobaphucisa inkwa emlonyeni kanti nawe uzozamela. Then remember ke kunabantu abanenkolelo ezingafani MK. Uthola abantu basebenzisela imithi yabo kanti ohambelana leyo nto so uyashayeka kanjalo and then ubone kahle ukuthi ngeke ngilunge mina lapha. Ngeke ngikhulume ukuthi yipi indawo kanjani MK.
Yeah.
Kodwa nami ngeke ngafika esimene esifana naleso sokuthi yabo lento yokugeza ngeenyawo eshaweni mohambile emathimini nani. Iphinde mina yangishaya MK inkinga engisho.
Geza ngeenyawo.
Ungena ngeenyawo eshaweni. Remember uqeda kugeza wena MK nemithi yakho oyisebenzisayo uyishaya lapha eshaweni. Mongiphuma ngiyangena while nawe ishawa ngeke uyigeza.
Lisasemanzi.
Isasemanzi and wena uqeda kuphuma uyigeza ishawa wenza lutho. Yabo. Nawe uyangena ke eshaweni ukhulula icathulo or ama slippers ungena eshaweni uyashaya. Ikuthathe lapho leyo nto leyo. So into esihlangabezana nazo but ila safunda khona ukuthi noma kungenzakala niba namaphaca mongena eshaweni ngena ngawo uyasulwa lento. Ngena ngawo eshaweni udla ishawa ngalo maphaca. Yabo.
Yeah.
Mina ngiyindoda ethanda ukuphilela yodwa. Into mengithi ngiyayenza ngithanda ukuthi ngizenzele mina ngedwa. Angibike ebantwini. Because noma ngiye KZN ngidlala kumtsipa abantu bamangala abebade bazi. Njengoba nawe wawumangala uthi awundoda. So wahambe elingaka. Awusasho.
Yeah.
Ngiyindoda ethanda ukuthi
ngitshela mina masuda.
Yeah, ngiyindoda ethanda ukuthi ngiyenze izinto ngedwa. And ngiyindoda mina engathanda ukuthi yonke into mengiyenza ngithanda ukuyenza abantu babuke.
Okay.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Ngoba phela ilelizwe siphila kulo MK hayi wonke umuntu ufuna ukubona uMK abe successful ngalento ayenzayo. njengamanje
sure
yabo kunabantu akhuluma kabi imisebenzi ezizama ukuyenza. So as a soccer player kufanele ukuthi wazi ukuthi indoda usazohlangabezana nenkinga phambili noma uhlangabezana nenkinga usaya.
yeah ne
So kufanele ukuthi wazi ukuthi ukumele lokho yabo. For example MK mina ngisashaya isifuba ngale ndoda uPhilip Ndlondlo. Indoda yathola iopportunity in early stage and then wakhula in the professional level adlala eNFD Mtsipe whatever yabo. Indoda esabambelele futhi discipline abo Foli Xolani abo Olwethu amadoda nathi esifisa mesikhuluma esisingabo coach right now esikhuluma mesithi senza ama team esikhuluma nama play we make example ngabo. Kuyathokozisa lokho ukuthi kunama players kwazi ukuwakhomba bona ukuvakasha kuma session wethu la ku artificial bowubona uMevula asijimisa nawo ama professional players we learn from the best. As I'm still playing even now while I'm coaching I'm still learning. Ngisafunda in the coaching point ngisafunda as a player ukuthi there are certain things amele ufunde kwabanye.
True.
You understand? But mina ngihappy ukuthi eThokoza we are growing even if singeke sibone manje MK but kancane we getting there. Kunentwana from TS Galaxy umntawu playing as a right back isasencane intwana bese usually coach kuyesikolweni eDisetsongo naselokishini. It's having a PSL contract which is it's something big for iThokoza. Now one of our coaches uMevula coach Snake usicoachile ku Snake we played ku Snake usicoachile futhi even namanje noma khona can uyayenza phone call endoda ukuphi esangena ekseni umuntu ohlezi afuna ukusibona se right yabo use Northern Cape manje they are running for a league bawo number 2 ku ABC Mtsipe and kusele kancane sibabonile ku Nedbank unama soccer players still asuka nabo la elokunjani eThokoza abo Sosha Rama uRatile Libila abo Matime bolungile Khunxwane from la ePola Park. And then if one of us make it there that means it's possible but it's all in our mind. And then if you give effort ukuthi ngifuna ukubona ngilapha ngingathi njengoba uMevula lapha eNorthern Cape and then I've started ukuthi ngikhuluma into negative ngoMevu. No, we need to support and ngiyithandile into enziwe na iThokoza LFA nabanye bethu from eThokoza when they play against TS Galaxy. Baphume ngobuningi to support. At the same time they were supporting uMevula nama players eThokoza at the same time we were supporting umntawu ngodlala ku TS Galaxy. So sine ability eThokoza there is ability which we can produce. I don't wanna lie kune ability so it's all in our hands. The ball is in our court ukuthi senza kanjani yabo especially in the development. Mina ngikhuluma kakhulu kwi development ukuthi if singabo coach ku development if we can support one another then we fine with it sizoba right you're going to make it. Yabo ngikhuluma ngeSky City it's one of the academy la ngibeke under nje la eduze eThokoza ngoba iSky City umakhelwane. So it's one of the academy edlala league right for Sloras sine overflow it's playing league GDL. It's a good platform flows and then spread katlehong sine hyper academy idlala stream A sidlala stream B. That's the difference. So if we are able to build a relationship towards a hyper academy or what sikwazi ukuyiproduce ngentwana right and then the problem MK the big problem is abo coach bala eKasi bayahluleka ukusupport umuntu wala eKasi. You know singathatha intwana manje for example isise le eValley iyodlala iStream B while kune team la eKasi edlala iStream B same league ne team yaseValley angazi noma ngi-understand suka intwana sithe ngu-coach ngithatha intwana ngiyise eValley ku-NW for example
Sure.
yeValley while
Idlala
kune
kwenye
team
team.
edlala same league ne-NW ela eSky City understand because lento irana umuntu othile we don't want to support.
Yeah.
That's our problem.
So ezinye izinto ezikhawathayo. So basically you mean that ama opportunities azwakele.
It's ngitshele MK yabona manje lentwana lezi this nowadays ama soccer player manje anenhlanhla kakhulu. There are lot of opportunity. Mina manje ngokuya ngami iminyaka ehambile bengathi ngabuyela ngibe na 13 there were ama opportunity
Angakhona
because ekuqaleni lezi zinto bezizima ukutholakala bezithola abantu abanenhlanhla. Yabo kumanje they speak unoThabang u50 bengikhula ngithi ngiyahotmani should be playing ku professional level ku PSL. I understand. But the way ama opportunity bewangakhona he couldn't make it to PSL. But bombona phela bo 50 baba test talento before bo Philip. So bombona naye ukuthi ihanga ukhona ulapha just inhlanhla yayingekho.
Yeah.
So manje ama opportunity lento angazinama opportunity kakhulu.
Let us
Thina kudala before ngena MK bekungana lento ye GDL.
Yeah.
But now there's a academy league GDL. La abantu bakhula khona. But it's football. So hamba MK sizoba right.
Let us talk about inhlanhla ku football, especially for a player, yabo, because out of everything esiyaziyo with i-background yakho ne-knowledge onayo kwi-football and with my knowledge nami kwi-football, i-success ye-player idependa kwi-coach kumatyela amaninzi, yabo, because i-coach is the one that knows the player layo, angithi i-coach is the one that's able to create or to network nama scouts, yabo, people who are going to come from a professional level bazwakale bazo scout, yabo, kuye umuntu okwaziyo to say ukuthi kwi-scout, I know that you are here but could you turn amehlo wakho wabhekise kwi-player liso and watch how he's going to perform today, yabo. For i-scout isikhona uku-identify i-player in most cases i-coach has to play a role, yabo. For i-scout ukuthi isikhona ukuzwakala kulawo ma-games lawa azoba khona whatever, i-coach has to play a role, whether they're going to communicate ne-scout directly or they're going to contact the office yama-scouts or they're going to contact whoever organize a game leyo to say, can you please have ama-scouts because I've got ama-players so that I need to let go ukuthi mabakhule, yabo.
Yeah.
Ama-coaches abaya, they do not want to let go of ama-players, yabo, in a manner yokuthi once you let go of this player you're going to suffer from their position layer, because ama-coach abaya aba-comfortable with i-player one mastering their position layer instead of having a system of players that are going to, njengoba bewusho ukuthi egroundini you can play your left wing nani but siyakhona ukuthi siphinde sikususe from your left wing sikudlalise your center whatever, yabona. Ama-coaches abaya, they do not have ama-backups for ama-players. They depend kwi-player one to a point where now they know ukuthi mangikhipha this player ukuthi Levi lili ngizosafara kayi, and once ngasafara maybe igama lami won't be or i-CV yami won't be ngaleyo ndlela leyo bengayo because of leyo player leyo. Could be reason number one. And then enye into that could be reason ukuthi why coach li-sabotage ama-player kangaka is that kunale tendency leyo ukuthi once ucoach wafumanela i-player i-contract enkulu, leyo coach lo is entitled to maybe imali or whatever abazoyithola, yabo. I know leyo nto leyo, I've had a conversation with aba-coach abobhaya and they always touch base kuleyo nto leyo ukuthi lo muntu lo ngamkhuphula ngimbeke la makaceda sekayangikhohlwa mina, yabo. So aba-coach ababhala, instead of developing a player for ukuthi ikhule, they want to own their player leya, yabo. So it's true when you are saying we've got opportunities abhaya kayi, and the truth amabhaya opportunities, and ureferencile ngama-player afana nabo 50 u-50 uziprovile egroundini. There is not anyone who can come and say u-50 is not good, ABCDEFG. Ugood lo mjitelo wayo egroundini. U-50 is able to analyze ibhola while adlala, yabo. He's able to predict ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani ediskini while adlala. He's able to calculate as position. He knows when to defend, when to attack, when to pass, when to do all of these things. But uzibuza question one, why yena didn't he make it into the professional level kusase early? Because simbonile ndoda, there's ama-records, there's videos zaka 50 adlala. Yephi enye mhlambi into ebengathiwa i-scout or your professional team or your professional whatever bengathi mayibheka i-profile laka 50 ithi kushoda yona la, because from my side ayikho into eshodayo la.
Yeah, MK, you know, ngiqale phansi whatever you say.
Yeah. My question was, yini lento ebizwa ukuthi inhlanhla for a player ku-football?
Alright.
Yeah.
Yabona into enhle iza emntweni okwazi ukulinda nofuthi umuntu okwazi ukunikela entweni ayenzayo.
Okay.
Ngisho kanjani MK? Kwesinye isikhathi sinokuthola sikuma situation whereby sibize i-scout as coaches, right, to identify talent. But now singafika i-scout MK, but if you are not playing good on that day, there is nothing I can do as a coach. I understand. Yeah. But now into ebalekile futhi ekufanele siyazi MK ukuthi i-scout singafika sizobheka u-MK, sifike sithole bani, asathole MK sisithole okuhle.
Sure.
You understand that that's football. As long as oba ne progression kukhona umuntu oprogressayo, we are happy with that. MK, kubalekile as a coach ne uke wathinta ukuthi kunama coach avalela ama opportunity for ama players to go, ngoba they are afraid ukuthi ngakusasa in that central midfield will be a gap. Kubalekile mina firstly I didn't see importance yokuthi mele ngiyofundela i-coaching while ngikwazi ukuthi mengiphuma nge-spread ngiyodlala i-tournament ngifike ngibashaya ngibuye.
Yeah.
Ngiyephi ngifike ngibashaya ngibuye bengasibona isidingo until ngiye eclassini le D license. As much as manje ngiku phase 2 ye C license, I will be progressing i phase 2 ye C license yami.
Sure.
Njengoba usho ukuthi ama opportunities akhona, not for ama players wodwa, even coaches. Now if you can check ku GDL, they now need coaches with C license to be in the bench. You understand? So it's one of the opportunity as us coaches to be identified. But okay, this coach is having a C license, and then there's 1, 2, 3 ayenza ku Sky City, a progression ikhona ngalabo coach, and then any academy can come, on any team can come and say, hey baba, there's a contract nayi asebenze kanje. Same applies with players. But now the problem is, as soccer players, we tend to forget ukuthi you need to be disciplined in the field and also off the field. You must be disciplined. Discipline ihambelana ne-respect. But angeke ngihloniphe u-MK ngihluleke ukuhlonipha mina. Kunezinto as soccer player kungafanele angasizenza. You understand? and kunezinto ekufanele samelanga si-adapte kuzo as soccer players. So ngingeza ne-scout MK, ngazi ukuthi u-MK is playing a good football, but u-MK in the following day ngimtshelile ukuthi kuzobe kune-scout to everyone in the team, that a team, just make a team talk and then say kune-scout, you are playing a game, blah 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 blah. But now if u-MK angeka reste enough, angeka lale enough, alale ngo-2 sidlale ekuseni ngo-10, baby, it's a problem. So inhlanhla ihambelana ngokuthi wena uphatha kanjani, you understand, be disciplined enough and then work hard. Ngeke ubathi uvezane waba nenhlanhla wathathwa ku-professional level, babheke i-character, work rate yakho, whatever effort uyifakayo, indlela odlala ngayo, indlela odiscipline ngayo, mophethe ibhola, off the ball wenzani, into efana nalezo. So kwesinye isikhathi sinokuvalwa mfowomdala ukuthi ufike utshela ukuthi kanjani, why mina ngingafikanga, because lo muntu abamthathile was playing much better than him. But uthola ukuthi le muntu beyangadlali, yes, that's true, but was good on organizing the team of the ball. You understand? Hayi ukuthi kusekufanele vocal center back ukwazi ukukhuluma, but wena ngapha wina wonke ama 1v1, wena wonke ama aerial balls, mes build up kahle, but ngale le center back wena uquiet, yona ikushangana ikwazi vocal kuze yona ingathwali kanzima, ikwazi ukulungisa inkinga, iphuma ingajulukanga, ilungisa iproblem ingakafiki. Wena makalapha imalapha sharp stay Milse moyen up sesa rise, organizing a team of the ball, uyakwazi noma siku in position uyakwazi ukuphana no message, man on chika mthathe, you understand? Silekha lama element amancane man ku football, and silekha nokuthi i-role, i-positional role, ukuthi njengoba mina ngiyi-CDM kufanele ngenzeni, ngigijima until kuphi, ngithola mengifika la kufanele ngenzeni, ngilibambe noma ngiliphase, you understand? Indlela ngiyolanda ngale ibhola kuma center back ama basic. Why? Because back then background singabo coach asibafundisanga leyo nto leyo. Kulekha phi ke MK, kulekha ulwazi ne knowledge kubobani kubo coach. It's very important ukuthi uma coach uzodila ngengane in the development level, uye nasesikolweni awuvukanga wavuka wakwazi ukubamba icamera. You learn these things. Fanele wenzeni ufunde. So as coaches, I mean, I still emphasize ukuthi asiphumeni so fund. Even if, do you know one of the best strikers or one of our number 10s uSthembiso Hlophe umatikiti, uyaziwa o18 members Austin Villa banabo sijeke, but umatikiti serving a D license, une D license, yet ku coaching akekho, akana team, but une D license. Why? Mekathi mina ngithatha lama Cox ngiwabeke ethala ngiyaretire, or isikhathi sami sesingiphelele and akuna progression. Lento bekayenza, you need to go and bring back to the community. Amele ayobuyisela kuphi ku community. Abuild umunye umatikiti. So uzombuilda kanjani without iphepha? Phela zonke izinto sezi advance. Even noma uyicleaner kufuneka i-matric certificate njengoba nesikolo sibalekile. Uyicleaner kufuneka uclean ukorobha into engeke uyifundela, awe kunama learnership okayina. Ayina MK into ongayithatha uthi, but kunama learnership akhona. Yonke into iadvance kulomhlaba esiphila kuwo manje, akusafani nakuqala.
Calculate ama degrees
Yeah, understand. So yonke into manje idinga iphepha MK.
Yeah, true.
Idinga iphepha. Namanje njengoba ngila ku broadcast yakho kuze ngazi uMK ngimazi throughout umsebenzi wakhe, and awuvukanga eksene wathi MK ngizokwenza lokho. You need to learn. You understand how many people abafollowa ipage lika MK, it's growing. And then we also benefit on that, yabo. So yonke into seyidinga ukuthi ibe nephepha. so inhlanhla ihambelana nabantu abayifunayo kunelesisho bathi zoyithola kanjani hlele ekhoneni yabo
Yeah.
angeke
Yeah.
kokoti team izofuna okuhle 8780 Masilo Street ngeke kwenzeke lokho but if ngiphumile ngayo showcase talent bangibiza bathi endoda shi number yakho la shi address yakho maybe ngasangitholi kule number bangifuna bazogogoda
Yeah.
bagogodiswa yini ilento edisplay engibabonise yona egroundini so discipline ibalekile zihloniphe uyiplayer be discipline and then yazi ukuthi kufanele ngibe endaweni eso soccer player ngesikhathi esiso you understand ama player buyer if you checka kuma professional level MK majority of players athola ama car accident afike emajimini the professional level adakiwe because of what discipline don't drink and drive basic things esingafuna ukulandela
Yeah.
sesinenyuku sesibhubhile dlala ku professional level sicabanga ngathi sesiphethe umhlaba it's not like that the way usafare ngakhona ube discipline ukuthola leyo contract iqhubeka ngayo lezi zinto bongazenzi ungana contract noma sone contract ungazenzi don't try to adapt kuizinto ezinye izinto
Yeah.
yabo ifana nomntwana ofuna ukufana nomntwana kamakhelwane while knowing ukuthi umakhelwane sacrifice a lot ukuze ayenzele lo mntwana into yakhe wena sofaka umama iparent yakhe esicathulweni sokuthi ufuna ukufana nomntwana kamakhelwane enze nayo jonje
Uyabona.
as long mfethu ulala ngaphansi kwephahla alright so engikushoyo why ngikhuluma kanje MK I need even nabantwana igeneration leya manje yazi ukuthi phila impilo ekustandard sakho yamkela isimo sabazali sinjalo MK because now we are dealing with development we need to understand ukuthi kunomntwana osazofika MK ongana soccer boots okuzoba nzima one talent okuzoba nzima ukuthi akhokha ama fees kuma academy and stuff but meka ne talent ayikho into esizoyenza MK we compromise we simtholela ama donation siyabona ukuthi wenza njani so as a coach you need ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi nomntwana lo esimene ekhaya kukho kanje ekhaya kukho kanje mina I'm glad angifuna iqamba manga mfethu ngiyathokoza ukuphila ngaphansi kwekhaya leSky City because I've learned a lot of things siphathwa umuntu wesifazane thina usiphethe
Yeah.
and particularly yandlu leyana ngekusho ukuthi le ndlu iphethwe umuntu wesifazane ngathi iphethwe umuntu wesilisa futhi ostrong ustrong leya mama loyana ophethe leya club iSky City because remember kunegigaba ehlangabezana nazo throughout iGDL you understand kufanele iGDL it's expensive very expensive
Yeah.
but ali ama bookings ama ground first aid ama bus we are playing an away weekend we need to have a bus you understand izinto eningi ama tricks njengoba usibona sibahle kanje ama tricks uthi yonke into but la mama it's managing ukuthi yonke into ibe on point clubhouse top class
Nice
I will one of the darkest days ngisasizoya MK
Please.
just nje uyobona le
Yeah.
clubhouse
Okay.
uyibone top class and then yet singakayitholi exactly abantu abaningi efacility yabo MK bayachoma sisebenzisa Everite kune company la moya ngaseFunagen Road iEverite ila si trainela khona ecompany thina le ground try to maintain nilungise kubeleni but alikho bad but we need the way izinto zangakhona sidinga facility mesingaba noma isikolo esizovula izandla esithi sebenzisana ifacility yethu and then abuze thina ukuthi as we give you this facility as isikolo how are we going to benefit
Yeah.
simple
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
take kids we put them sinama players different province and then siyazi ukuthi next season mewafika mesithola amanye we put them in that school ikolo they are playing in competition as coaches we can help even that school to coach them ukuthi kube benefit as isikolo yabo izinto esishoda ngazo but ama opportunities ngiyadonona la imaningi kakhulu
Yeah.
checka manje more than 8 players from ku Sky City they are going to La Vancha eSpain. One of the biggest opportunities eze ngaye lo mama ingako ngithi leya mama loyana imbokodo futhi story sakhe yasazi MK. So ngingajabula nawe mongathatha nje isikhathi uvakasha kulela khaya ubone indlela esiphila ngayo ngokuncane sinako kodwa ayangeke kusho. Yeah, it's a blue train yona iyamove. So into esishoda ngayo only if coaches can work together ba support as much as now support as much as because ukuba khona kwakho kule industry of football you make us grow and then you creating opportunity from everyone. Now people they know that Sky City is struggling with under 14s to get I good as now but oshoti bafishane so wonke ama game esidliwa wona ka under 14 sikorwe ngama set piece area ngeke kuhlala unga avoid corner kick ngeke kuhlala unga avoid ukuthi opponent idlale nge1 a holiday we are playing home sebenzisa Eden Park Stadium.
Okay.
And then you can come and watch then ubone lento engikhala ngayo kulabantwana abancanyana laba be under 14 they playing a good football obviously philosophy they must play mebedlala inkinga noma singakora bazoscore because it's difficult.
Yeah, true.
Sinokwenzeka mfethu yabo siye ekagiso same mistakes we can't deal with aerial balls because nama center back mafishane.
Yeah.
They are good but mafishane. So if they can only if they can assist the lapho and then singaba mnandi and nama under 19s we are struggling with under 19s intwana ebias na 19 they think ukuthi football it's all about tournaments. You understand?
Bazifuna kuma
tournament uzothola intwana uyilethe introduce especially mangabi ikhulumi. I'm not saying bad MK intwana zala ekhaya ethokoza they now enjoy ama tournament over a league because uthatha intwana uyiregister ku GDL ngesikhathi sokudlala badlala semi-final kuphi esomhlolo intwana is ikhethi semi-final. You understand?
Yeah.
And the majority of these 208, 209, 207 ama under 19 sewa matured enough ukuthi angadlala ku senior level so babona kahle ukuthi it's a platform ukuthi bayodlala ama tournament but now they bababona noma babulala bona ukuthi ba jump stage sokuba developed. You need to be developed uhambe kahle in the development progress yakho until you get in the senior level.
Sinini player ishashaya ngo coach lo dlala ku tournament
yenze
mfethu Jinda ngada ene uJinda something ezomsebenzela
ekugcineni
uya ku something entertainment because for ama players lama tournaments la entertainment.
That's true.
Ish yazi yakhala ne
izakhala ebholweni mengakubuyisela bengicoacha iHyper Academy abonkosana Skiroko ngibathole ku under 15 ku Hyper abukeletso sifama mebezothatha iChiefs mezothatha ukeletso sifama we were playing against iChiefs nabo under Mtshali sidlala home eHuntersville.
Okay.
He played ku under 15 wakora 3 goals samgqokisa ka under 17 wenza njalo futhi so ila iChiefs ethi manini yabo abonkosana we've played the tournament ezomhlolo bambiza ngo Big Mama babonakale lapho iHyper Academy produce a lot of players abolwazi ku Vets yabo Colombia yabo so this thing of development is very important. Abantu bangayibona ngathi these people babhizi nje bafunela imali kulentwana. It's very important and it's expensive to run development.
Yeah.
Because they need to have a proper facility. And then bonds zithatha isikhathi ukurespond bafuna ukubona into ekuprogression yenzakalayo.
True. Yeah.
So ukuze yenzakale we need parents. If parents can be more supportive towards everything eyenzakalayo ku career yomntwana.
Yeah.
And then that will be much better. Monitor umntanakho. Katholakala ukuthi umntwana sesiyodlala ileague iGDL ufika okuhle wazomthatha sodlala top 4 yama under 15 ngoba ngu-coach ngifuna ukuthi siwinele ya 200 ngibe right. You understand?
Yeah.
Certain things izesibulala ibhola lalentwana legazi.
You know what? I think I have to meet with umama iskhool sakho. I have to meet with her. I think I'm very much interested into development yenu.
Uzohlangana naye.
Yeah.
If you can check, I'm not saying one of the best academies. We are getting there. We are trying our level best ukuthi sibe right.
Yeah, ne.
Can
No,
follow-
dinibukele but from a distance.
Yeah, if you can follow page lethu manje le ku TikTok, we coming algabi that much effectively. But you can see more vakashela ukuthi there's always an update nan.
Okay.
Then we running. And if you can check, yazi ibhola mfethu. Before ngizomazi lo mama, we fought nalo mama grounding, but it's football.
Yeah, very.
Silwa kuma tournament. Ukumazi kwami ngamazi first azoqala ukudlala i-tournament eSemtuli Stadium. Silwa. Unenkani futhi imsebenzele.
Yeah.
Imsebenzele uqale nje adlala la eSky City ama tournament, but this tend to be a big thing. Look now. Naye unama players in a professional level, I2 ina ku NW APC Mtsipe abuya kuso isandla selokhu njalo.
Okay.
Se Sky City. Ngimusha kodwa this progression. I understand. So we need to recommend kwesinye isikhathi into mengabe kukhona imehluko kulethela ho.
True.
We run through this thing of football because we wanna learn. Yonke into MK iqala somewhere before kuba khona ikusasa. So if wena uthi awufundi, and then there's nothing you can do.
Okay.
I understand.
Yeah.
We still playing. Mina ngesikhathi sami it's a pity ukuthi manje currently because ngibonile ukuqhelelana angeke ngithi ngoba naku ngicoacha ku Sky City I won't play. Ngiyadlala I also play ku LFA lelikyala LFA. Thokoza LFA kuba Sothu. Currently ngisayina manje because ngumuntu othanda namanje nje before ngizala ngibuye ejimini. Ngiyayithanda lento ikimina, yitalent. So I'm still playing, but ngiyasazi isikhathi sokuthi I need to start ngispane espaneni sami ku Sky City. Ngijima sinamalanga. So ngamalanga ami I obtain ukuthi it's a compulsory ngiya ku session. Ibasuthu ngiyazi if it's Sky City it's playing on a day GDL, that means I'm not available. If it's not playing because sometimes nokudlala ngama Saturday GDL kanti basuthu ngidlala Sunday. I avail myself.
Okay.
Currently I've played 2 games. The good part is I've played 2 games, 2 goals.
Nice one.
Yabo.
Yeah.
It's we just playing, we playing, we never know. But it's not over until the sweet lady sings abazi. We'll never know. Mhlambe i-achievement yami nokuba in a professional level coacher or is to play. Ngadlala ku LFA kanti kunomuntu obhekile. That's why mina ngizama. I'm not saying I'm a good player, but I'm always learning. Yabo. Each and every game I'm obtained to learn, and each and every game I give my work rate because I never know. As much as no man coach, I respect my job because I never know who's watching. That's why even now ngimbonga le cheledi for the opportunity uMiriam osipha yona.
I was watching a performance yakho extension to when bewubikwe team. What's the name?
Ku Ubuntu Rollers. Ku Easter.
Yeah.
That's Ubuntu Rollers.
Yeah.
Before ungena lapho MK. You know lapho ngifike kanjani. MK kunama there are those coaches you'll never disappoint ku football. You understand?
Yeah.
Ngifike eTisetsong ngafikele esandleni sika Buti coach Buti. I've played in the professional level ngenkolo went national. I was a captain of a national squad sase district. Coach Budi noThemba no Mr Shabang.
Okay.
The sad part engeke ngikhohlwe when I went to national ngayo umoya wami usudisturbeke kakhulu because kunondoda abathi uDunga bekahlala la ePola Park umfishanyana owayinkinga oyimidfield
Yeah.
owashona kufanele siye kuma national wayefunda eBhlebizeli. May soul rest in peace. Ngaphazamiseka lapho yet noma ngingazange ngihlehlele emuva but the way izinto bezingenzeka ngakhona kuma selections asala C2 aba represented district.
Okay.
And then ukulahlekelwa umngani ohambeni oluhle futhi olude kangaka because we went to Durban, from Durban Cape Town. So ukuhamba lahlekelwa umngani ohambeni olude kangaka was something ecishe yangilimaza because sasi close nale ndoda leyana nabo Bheje abontora njengoba bengibuza manje ukuthi le insizwa zikuphi mengifika la nomakhelwane bakho. So kuze ngifike kuBuntu Rollers Coach Budi coach in a school of theatre usebenza ku district manje, and then he went for international training program. Utrainer lamadoda lawa abuya ngale ngaphandle, but apparently banama passport to be allowed to babe ngapha.
Okay.
They were doing extra lessons, extra training. So those people, they approach Ubuntu, no, put them in the tournament, any tournament ekhona le guys. Ngela ngale draw yazi, ngela ngale draw ngafonelwa ukuphi stadium ubuthi okozandoda. Yendoda nayo into kunamadoda la benginokubiza ujime nawo lawa ababuya elokhunjaneni ngaphandle.
Yeah.
So I want ukuthi uzobancedisa. One of umuntu was atmosphere ye Easter tournament, and then I think impact yakho it will be much appreciated. And then umuntu ofana noButi I can't say no. That one you should know because le muntu kunendima ayidlala kumina kuze ngibe la ngikhona.
Sure.
Especially ngifunda iDisetsong kuba nama upside downs, but umuntu wayehleza khona benabo Themba ngizohlezi futhi ngibahlonipha emkheni noma bangafona manje bathi ndoda gijima ngizokwenza njalo. Those people they build okuhlejilana ukuthi abe yilento ayiyo namhlanje, kungasiyibo bodwa nabanye abo coach, and angisoze ngathi ngibathathela phansi. Ngibonga kakhulu. I so wish ukuthi one of the darkest days achieve while basaphila. They can ukuthi babheke ikhekhe bese cream bangayidli, just to say thank you kubona. Because seriously mina angibhema ngiphuzi, ngeke ungibone emdrovweni into engazihambi imjive, angibhema ngiphuzi into nento abantu abaningi ngeke ungithole emgroveni. Yeah, because bangenza ngabona ukubaluleka kongakwenzi lezo zinto lezo in a early stage. So MK wangicela, and then kuma preparation ngimangele ngizofika ngidlale nabantu engingabazi mina ngapha khuluma isingisi kuphela MK seclassini le English manje.
Okay.
Unzima yeah, khulunywa lapha sikhuluma English. And then we went for a preparation 1 week before Easter besijima eSikhosana. Esikhosana ngisuka la ngithathe sesikhosana lamadoda afike, and leya team edlala ngale international le lokunjaneni ezimi bayadlala ngale ileague, badlala iSuper League, but bona badlala eDivision 1.
Okay.
Njengoba ngidlala endoda but I don't wanna lie, njengoba ubabonile ukuthi ama workaholics, ama hard worker, ukudlala nakubo kuvesane bekungenza ngathi kudala ngidlala nabo. I understand. Even if they wanted to endoda asigibele ngene emotweni asambe siye sonke sele emakhaya sosebenza. But ngacabanga ukuthi sengiyinikele kwenye into, so I need ukuthi kulento engiyinikele ngitshela ukuthi ngiyenzisise. Ngathi mekufika umoya ungiphushela le ngihambe nomoya. Backbone ibalekile ebholweni. So ngabonga abatshela ukuthi hayi madoda, one of the darkest days will happen, but now I'm still focusing ku Sky City. There's a program and a huge into esiyenzayo for development, so I can't just leave. Then they understand, yabo, and they are willing to come back. Ungababona nasesomhlolo ngoJune, any tournament eJune, they are willing to come back. Yet sidliwe ku last 8 ema penalty, but you show ubonile character yamadoda ukuthi kuyaliwa
liziyalo leziya.
Kukudlala nabantu phela, if I check iSlovo bebedlala ngabantu majority abadlali eBC Mtsipe, and labantu laba style of play sangapha bebangakasa adapt, but they manage ukuthi singa concede the whole game. So ibhola MK
Diskamara. Ish time I think everything bendi prepare ukuthi sizokhuluma ngayo for today. We've covered way more than a capacity can actually take. You did say earlier masesicala le show le ukuthi if ever you can actually detail everything about wena singakhulumelanga lonke.
ngashona ilanga MK.
Ngashona ilanga.
As much as MK ngikhula phansi kwefamily engekho financial stable,
Sure.
but yet today I manage ukuthi ngifundile kubona abazali ukuthi bona kunezinto bebefisa ukuthi ngibe nazo abangakhonanga ukuzenza. So irole abayidlalile ukuthi bangikhulise ngeze ngikwazi ukuba nomehluko phakathi kwento right ne wrong. Ngibonge kakhulu ukubona. Even namanje ngisaphusha MK, ngiphushela bona ukuthi yonke into bebefisa ukuthi babe nayo way back babe nayo manje. Akugabi late MK.
Sure.
Akugabi late. Uma bebefisa ukuyohlala ehotela for some months, still they can do that, because akugabi late as long maybe saphila, yabo. Kumanje ngumuntu kancane ngumuntu ungamangale MK, but hayi kule weekend akekho usekhaya. Ngumuntu othanda ukuthi ngiba-check isikhathi esiningi. Because abantu abahlele ekhaya babheka imfuyo, sifuyile ke ekhaya. So ngumuntu ohleze odamane aba-check ukuthi ba right. So kubalekile MK ukuthi yamkela isimo njengoba sinjalo ngaleso sikhathi. Asikho permanent. Usengasichinja wena. Asikho permanent. uNkulunkulu akazizalelanga ukuthi sizohluleka, kodwa uzohluleka uma wena ufuna ukuhluleka. Kodwa uma ungalifuni ukuhluleka uzothi intitha uphume uyozama. And kubalekile ukuthi umzamo wakho kungabi into eaffecta umphakathi, and then you'll be successful. So uma ungaqala uzame ngento ukuthi mosuka kukhala umphakathi, it's something else okunye lo. So mina MK, uNkulunkulu wangidala ngenye indlela ungiphile lento yefootball igimi segazini, because everything that I'm doing it's out of football. Yabo, ngakhile ekhaya ibhola. Ngikhona ngikwenzela abazali ngengisakusho okuningi ibhola. You understand?
Sure.
Ukuzama lapho nalapho ziningi indlela zokuphila ebholweni, but only if when uzoba discipline. Yabo. Kubalekile as much as nawe MK we are pushing whatever oyenzayo manje, ama broadcast, shooting, yonke lento leyo oyenzayo, but konke lokho kwenza because uthando nokuba discipline. Phela ukuba discipline akufuneki umengabe udlala ibhola kuphela. Nawe nje umuntu amele be discipline. Kumele wazi ukuthi kunezinto uMK angeke azenze, because as we living kunentwana mengiphuma ngaphandle ethi ngifusa ukufana noOkuhle yet ungeke ikubize ithi ngifisa ukufana nawe, but kunentwana obonayo ukuthi they are learning from wena. Mina as much as la ngihlala khona eThokoza Gardens, yabo kunentwana mina mongaya manje MK estradini sami after school egate ekhaya uthola kugcwele intwana eningi, you understand? Yeah, because ngiyahlala nazo, yabo. Isikhathi sami that's why ngithi anginamngani MK, mina anginamngani because ngibe kwi-situation whereby ngibe nabangani kodwa ngingaboni umehluko ukuthi why singabangani.
Yeah.
Kunganazinto ezipositive esiyisherayo ukuthi understand ukuthi sibonisane ukuthi endoda yazi manje sixoxe ngempilo ukuthi endoda yazi manje mesingazama mhlambe okuhle ukuthi sikhiphe ama 50 rand so thengisa kala ma orange spice wona ukuze sibe grand or isenzeni ukuze sibe grand. So ngibona ngesidingo sokuthi ngibe nabangani abangeke empilweni bakuphakamisa, but kunabangani esizothi mekuyo into ene-wrong bafuna ukuhamba nawe. Ngabona ukuthi yabo kuba nomngani kimi for mina esayidini lami ayikho into ezongisiza ngayo. Umngani bakube ibhola, mina mengibhorekile MK ngegroundini isikhathi esiningi uzongibona ngise emagroundini, and isikhathi esiningi mengeke emagroundini uzongithola ekhaya ngoba kunezinto engafuni ukubandlakanya kuzona, yabo. And angeke ungithole bathi okuhle la ngestradini uphethe ipiya.
Yeah.
Lokho angeke ngikwenze. Ngicasuka noma kukhona umuntu ongithuma leyo nto ngoba kunengane emgwaqeni ezifisayo ezibona into enhle. Hayi wonke umuntu uzobona into enhle kuwena, but mekukhona MK ababonayo.
Yeah.
Mina noma bangaba yi2 or 3 philela bona ukuthi bahlezi babona into eright kuwena ngoba hayi wonke umuntu ozoyijabulela into oyenzayo, yabo. Kumanje noma uphila lapho kunabantu abaziyo ukuthi okay la umsindo awufuneki because at any time ubusy ngebroadcast they support into oyenzayo, yabo. So hayi wonke umuntu ozothi mengidlula la angeke ngubanga umsindo, kunalabo abalayayo ukuthi into yakhe ingaphumeleli. But we'll never go out siyolwisana nabo, bayazi ukuthi benzani.
Yeah.
Thina we keep on praying ukuthi mesinga achieve lokho esikufunayo
Phela.
yonke into izoba right. My aim was to see one of the players esisuka nabo ku grassroots becoming a professional level, because ngihlulekile ukufika lapho but ngine ability yokuthatha ukuchange impilo yomunye umntwana nomunye umzali nenye family.
Yeah.
You will never know MK, you can produce someone abe professional level abuya tinali idladla MK. Ngiyabonga ngento ongenzeleyo, yabo. Kubalekile so engizamayo ukusho ukuthi MK whatever we are doing we need ukuthi sifundise lentwana, sifundise noma akufundi intwana kuphela nomuntu omdala uyafunda manje whatever kulento esiqeda ukukhuluma manje.
Yeah, true.
Ukuthi empilweni kufanele kube kanje na kanje because siphila kwelenye ilizwe, impilo iyashesha manje MK. Iyashesha, yabona manje siya ku June manje ubusika bungenile. Manje unyaka uzobe usuphelile, uachieveni nothing. So yonke into manje yenzeka manje yenzeka ngokusheshsha. So mara wena mozofuna ukuyigijimisa nawe ukuthi impilo isheshsha ila ugcina khona so wenza izinto ezi-wrong, ila ugcina khona ukuthi ugijimisa into ongayifici. Impumelelo angeke uyigijimise kodwa kancane kancane uzofika. Mina ngisashilo noma ngingaba nemali MK ngaba successful ngina-40 into engikade ngiyifisa ngina-15 ngizozenza. Akukaze kwaba late as long isagciniwe nyama sahlangane nomphefumulo then everything ungayenza. So I'm saying this because kunabantwana engiyibonayo etradini egijimisa impilo, you understand, eshiya abazali bakhala financially because bafuna ukumeet istandard somuntu wengane umuntu okwazi ukuphila kahle osebenza kwi-company right ohola right. Ngimdala ngengaka ngikwazi ukugijimisa istandard MK somunye umuntu, angazi ukuthi la muntu wenza kanjani.
Yabona.
So kumele ngifake ecathulweni zami ngamkele ukuthi lokhu nginako lokhu anginako. Kufana nabantu besifazane uma bazongena empilweni yakho kufanele bamukele lokunako monganako awunako. So and futhi kufanele sibe careful ukuthi si invite abantu abazokukhulisa empilweni, abazela ukukukhulisa, akubonisa ukuthi babujiyana mesingenza kanje kungaba neprogression, kungaba ngcono. Ungafiki umuntu azothatha lokho okuncane nawo akushiya unganalutho. Ayisebenzi kanjalo emkhe. Kufanele sikhulisane. Add i% kulo 20 kube sikhulisa.
Yazi uyomthola kuphi dayo.
Kunzima emhlabeni but abafani MK. Abafani. Impilo MK wangisho khuluma kanje MK. Ngifuna abantu ba-understand ukuthi iziningi into esihlangabezana nazo. Umuntu angaba notho akubeke kubudget, you can budget 50,000 ulale phezukwayo, but ikufike umuntu wesifazane ugcine sosala no10 ungabonanga ukuthi
wenzeni la. Yena wazi kahle ukuthi wenzeni.
And you know very well ukuthi uhambile wayomeet standards sokuthi amele abe yilento afuna ukuba yiyo. Yabo, we need to welcome umuntu willing ukuthi ngize ku MK ukanje okuhle ukanje, I will never change. That's why mina mfethu intombazane ezongihlukanisa nefootball ayihlale la ikhona, because that's who I am. Kungcono mama, kungcono zothi awuye groundini ukungithathisa asamba ngifuna ukuyobuka namhlanje ukuthi kwenziwani. Isabe supportive
la uzokhuthaza
dana umuntu ozocriticize umsebenzi engiphila ngawo, ozocriticize lento engifisa ukuthi yenzeke. Yabo, mina from ekhaya MK I was supported ngalento efootball. I took abafana from eBergville, 7 players from eBergville ngihlala nabo. I accommodate those boys nabo bazotshintsha impilo yabo. Remember emakhaya ku development, ngabona la kunamakhaya la development khona inganakiwe. As much as eBergville kudlala ama festival, ama winter games, amasine intwana abhekiwe. So I'm there ngisasho ukuthi mengisaphila I will do my level best ukuthi talent eBergville, abafana baseBergville abancane abasakhula abane talent ukuthi libonakale babe labafisa ukuya khona. As long ngisaphila, but angeke ngikwenze lokho ngaphandle kwesupport yama parents, community and stuff. Kubalekile lokho. So and kubalekile singakhohlwa MK la sibuya khona. It's very important. I need to give back kuleya community yaseBergville, because nje ibona ngifike eGoli, yebo kade ngafika ngineminyaka eGoli, but ikhaya la ngiphuma khona. Ngoba MK ngakusasa mengingavuka bathi okuhle uthulile kuzofanele ukuthi ukhiphe imoto uhambe eBergville la uyo attenda khona ifuneral yami. Yabo, kufanele konke lokho. That's why ungibona mina ngisebenzele ekhaya MK, sebenzele ekhaya, umthwalo usebhokweni. Ngoba ngakusasa mengithi MK akwesijike eBergville stress senze content or whatever esiyoyenza, kufanele ubone ukuthi la ngifike khona uamkelekile futhi ku safe, ku right. Yabo, ngoba siyazana MK and senza into esiyithandayo, sisazolahamba lolu hambo le football lude but lifuna patient. Ungavumi ukuyikhela phezulu. Yazi into moyikhela phezulu uba ne problem. And what I know in football, nakuphi don't abuse power nayo. You understand? It's because yimo phethe la fanele ngitreat abantu ngendlela engafanele, because nginama powers okwenza lokho. So kubalekile. Ngiyaxolisa ukukhipha esihlokweni MK, kodwa kubalekile ukuthi ezinye zezinto sishare nabo abantu abasakhula. I-life in general, impilo le. Because amanye ama-soccer players i-career iqedwa yiwo amantombazana. I'm sorry to say that. Iqedwa yiwo.
Intombazana ezishumana ama-player baya. Zishumane kakhulu.
Ujabulela ifame ngaleso sikhathi leso. And bona banandaba abosisi laba banandaba
vele.
Momkhiphile wamusa la kiwa khona yini obharazo ini uspende ngelanga in a night, uspende more than 3,000 4,000 a night
akabuzi nokuthi uyithathe kuphi.
yeah ye-night
Angendawo da.
if you can check mina ngihlezi ngisho nosisi wami engizemva kwakhe engisele naye mina ngisele nodadewethu kuphela ngikhuluma nje kule weekend ngiyoncwaba umfowethu wakubomama eEastern Cape
Skisbula.
yabo so ngisele umuntu engisele naye manje usisi udadewethu ngingabali omama nobaba ngoba phela sikhula komunye umhlaba ngisele not uhlezi asho mina ngihlezi ngimtshela usisi wami yabo yena umuntu othandelayo ukuthi abe right and I'm always supporting ukuthi abe lento afisa ukuba yiyo namanje uyaspana eShoprite but I forever say ukuthi lento ofisa ukuba yiyo uzoba yiyo ungalinge ufuna ukuswitcha on ukuswitcha abangani bakho ukuthi abangani bayaphuma so ne pressure ungalinge uthole leyo pressure
Yeah.
that's why mina naye namanje sizwana hlezi ngimtshela mina ungangitsheli ngokuthi ngisuke ngiyothenga iteki le for 3 point something la nginga-eda khona u200 ngithola imbuzi lazima ngiyothengela MK uma oleda ama couch ngimtshela ukuthi mama uyangibona ukuthi angisipani ngiwumuntu osebenza ngebhola nani but ngiyazama ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi nibe right yabo njengoba ubona ungikhipha le madlana yami esele because angithandi mina ukulongibhadala into engapheli ngithanda ukuthi ngibudgetele mayibiza ngiyithenge cash ngiphume entweni ngisale ngihlupheka ngizama ngimthengela ama couch athi nawa salikazi sami kupheli naye uzokutshela mohamba nami uqala ubheke usisi wami uzokutshela naye mama uthi hayi lo ngeke umthole entweni ezibizayo because nginekusasa ngingedwa ekhaya MK ngumfana ngingedwa ubaba wavi lapho kuzala insizwa ngingedwa
Yeah.
so yonke into engiyenzayo kufanele ngicabangele ukuthi ngakusasa leyo nto inginikezani mina yabo because ngakusasa ngokomthetho kufanele ukuthi sengiganiwe njengamanje ngoba ngikhuluma MK ngingedwa ngumfana
Yeah.
yabo kodwa ngoba ke phela angeke uthathe ingane yabantu uzoyiletha enhluphekweni fanele ube stable wazi ukuthi you can maintain lo muntu wesifazana until isikhathi esingakanani
True.
yabo
True.
so ngakho konke engikwenzayo mina ngibheka ikusasa so uyabona ukuthi mekunama soccer player akwazi ukuspenda more than 4000 inkomo le isithole kimi yabo so ngihlezi ngisho kanjalo nentwana yami ihlezi ithi hayi angeke uye yedwa kumuntu engikwaziyo ukuthi ngikhiphe imali yami ngoba phela the more soccer player more ugqoka the way you dress ikupha neconfidence
Yeah, true.
so mekafuna isoccer boots the less boots engimthengele yona lathi 2.1 I had to buy it because the more kuza perform confidence mele azizwe ukuthi yabona la confidence iba khona then will determine the performance yakho manje yonke into izozenzakalela yabo so into efunakalayo I spend where I suppose ukuthi ngispend yabo ukuthi ngizophuma nabangani sesiye kuphi nomngani MK ngilalele ngiphume nomngani ngiyospenda more than 3000 nomngani ngakusasa leyo friendship seyiphelile friendship iqedwa into encane
Uyabona?
yabo
Yeah, man.
we so wish ukuthi uNkulunkulu asipha amandla MK sikwazi ukufeza konke amaphupho esinawo but for mina iphupho lami manje ukubona iSky City sikhula ivision yami ukubona iSky City siku stream A sicompete and then if ngavuka ngakusasa siku stream A noma ke singathiwani ngiyefemini ngiyofaka iboots MK inhliziyo yami izoba seyicilisekile mina ngithanda ukuthi ngiyisebenzele ibrand ekwazi ukuthi ngishowcase italent lami
Okay.
you understand
Yeah.
that's why isikhathini esiningi I will invest my time kuso iSky City because ngipha iopportunity ukuthi ngenzeni ngiwucoach nginesi-license ukuze ngibonakala ama-qualities wami nama-ability wami ama-objective whatever kufanele kube ngibe ine-grassroot ngiyenze practical so ukuyenza practical iSky City singithembile ngabantwana uyangi-understand abaphuma in different province, different background ukuthi
Yeah,
babe
yeah.
ngaphansi kwesandla sami ngoba phela ku-Sky City asibhebhisithu sina siyahamba siyodlala i-cheerleading ngekho i-cheerleading yami i-athlete yaphuma liyogijima lenzeni we go and play i-cheerleading ngekho siyekagiso we bring results ngekho i-cheerleading because uyasithemba ukuthi I hired abantu abazoletha something ama-results.
True.
So ngiyawul forever nje ngiseva ku-Sky City because they've trusted me ukuthi this guy can bring change, and then if they do so and then I'm also willing ukuthi ngibaphe lento abayifunayo. Yeah,
Nice
understand.
one.
Because
Yeah,
once
yeah.
sajahela ukuthi sizogijimisa kuma-academy azokubhadala imali ngale kwengqondo, and then wena umsebenzi wakho awusawenzi silong wena uholile awusenandaba ukuthi amele uproduce kusasa MK. So we live to produce abanye abantwana, sifuna abanye abo MK njengoba siphila,
Yeah, ne.
and then that's it.
Eish. Hayi Tayam, hayi no. Yeah, let us save it for ixesha elilandelayo. Yeah, I know we're still going to have more interviews or more sessions or more conversations as you saw. Mara for now, I think we've taken enough to give a platform to abantu abasibhekelele la to suggest, to throw in our questions, yabo, and as well as attending into your request yakho, because you've mentioned kokusafara kwenu kama under 14, especially intwana ezine-height.
Aish.
Yeah guys, iSky City siyakhala with abantu abanjalo, so please be cautious kakhulu. We are pleading with you guys to actually recommend intwana, yabo. So ndiyabulela man Tayam, ndiyabulela for actually making time ukuthi uzokwazi uzokhuluma nami mfana and sibe ne conversation. So I can tell you ukuthi from the conversation esihevile today, I know you may way more than le ndlela bengicabanga ukuthi ngicabanga ngayo from lama encounters besihlala siba nawo, yabo. So ndiyabulela kakhulu for actually taking time ukuthi share around kayi, yabo. So for nina abafethi nibhekelele guys, please man ngicela ningalibali ukusubscribe. It's very important because yindlela that you can actually make sure bangaba siyakhula ngayo si channel. Ngicela ni engage guys, commentani, ni share this episode nakwabanye abantu that you know bangaba kuyimamela kuzobanceda. Khumbule we've highlighted izinto ezibhaya kayi, we've highlighted about ama struggles that ama players are facing when it comes to development. We've struggled with relationship yama players kunye nabo coaches, and why sometimes ama players are not making it into the industry or the professional level. We've spoken of ama opportunities azwakele into the industry, especially for ama players asa developayo. We've highlighted into ukubaleka ku discipline kanjenge player or anyone nje, yabo. We've also highlighted on what else did you talk about? Like sikhulume ngezinto ezibhaya.
We covered a lot MK.
Yeah.
We turn it sike sayitwista kancane saya even in life in general.
Yeah, even
Because kubalekile naloko ukuthi sazi ukuthi ezinye zezinto empilweni zenjani.
Yeah. So yeah, if ever you know bangaba this episode ikufundisile wena, cela ukuthi ungabe selfish when I say ngicela ukuthi u share, please share it nakwabanye abantu bafethu. And for myself MK nakukhulumani kayi okuhle. Thank you bafethu.
Siyabonga nami MK.
Yethu.